EMS Director for Red Cliff Band of Lake Superior. Jeff continuously demonstrates his commitment to highway safety. In addition to his role as EMS Director, he is also the tribe's zoning administrator and roads manager. His efforts to improve pedestrian safety along Highway 13, efforts to increase communication among local and state emergency responders, and vision for developing Red Cliff in a manner that provides for safe and efficient transportation of a variety of modes of transportation make him truly worthy of recognition. Thank you, Jeff. Now we move on to the Tribal Excellence Awards. Tribal Excellence Awards are presented annually during this conference. Award recipients are recognized for providing exemplary contributions and services to building and enhancing partnerships with DOT and tribal communities in Wisconsin. Award nominations are submitted in the areas of achievement, commitment, and performance and service. It is an honor to be presenting these awards on behalf of WISDA. Our first awardee is Gary Meha of the American Indian Chamber of We are very excited for the outstanding work you have done to assist Native American business enterprises in Wisconsin. Your work in the development of the small business network software and implementation of policy has ensured Native American business firms are utilizing the latest technology and best management strategies to maximize their contract opportunities. You are being recognized for the exemplary work you carry out on statewide WISDA initiatives, which ultimately has resulted in enhancing the success of the Native American businesses in Wisconsin. Thank you, and I think I on behalf of our program, also thank the Jeff and Craig Anderson and the American Indian Chamber of Commerce of Wisconsin. Thank you.
One more.
Thank you. I missed the American Indian event last weekend, but put me down for next year.
20 minutes.
Right. Our next recipient is William Bremer for Federal Highway Authority. William Bremer. Okay. On behalf of WISDA, we are very pleased for the outstanding assistance William has provided that led to the application of the Safety Edge used as a pilot project on State Highway 55 and 47 on the Menominee Reservation. Our next recipient or recipients are two from WISDA North Central Region, Rosie Mia and Jim Volkman. Rosie and Jim. both of you for the exceptional coordination and sensitivity to cultural resources, which was demonstrated again on the State Highway 55 project through Menominee community. The ingenuity and creativity displayed by both of you to address cultural concerns raised by the nation went way above and beyond wisdom standards. Your commitments in the facilitation of the restoration and protection of cultural and environmental resources during the project has proved to be a model in developing partnerships and trust relations with tribal nations in Wisconsin. And next, we have Mary Jo Nash, Oneida Nation. Mary Jo. For your outstanding commitment to facilitating a stronger relationship between WSDOT and the Oneida Nation, your perseverance in creating a regular forum of communication between the Oneida Division of Land Management and key WSDOT staff has resulted in not only a stronger cultural understanding, but successful and efficient road improvement projects that serve the Oneida community. Thank you. And last but not least, my newfound friend and professor, Chad Wakichon. Did I get it right? Wakichon. You have to learn my name too. This is for your outstanding commitment to facilitating a strong relationship between WSDOT and Wisconsin tribes. Your perseverance in creating a regular forum of communication between all the key stakeholders has resulted in an unprecedented amount of success stories. You constantly strive to go beyond the regular commitments of a project coordinator whenever the project was bound to produce benefits for tribal communities. Your critical guidance, influence, and commitments have resulted in successful initiatives in tribal transportation, safety, economic, labor and business development, tribal and agency training and educational programming, consultation facilitation, project-driven coordination, and most importantly, putting up with the endless and relentless requests of Miss Kelly Jackson and always being responsive. Honestly, many of us at DOT, Wisconsin tribes, industry reps, other state, local, and federal programs are extremely grateful for your true perseverance in enhancing state and tribal relations. We also take this opportunity to extend our best wishes as you move into a new position. Hoa! Oh, wow! I said I became his friend today. He took us on a tour of the Menominee today, and I really learned a lot. My first visit here was back in 1992, when I had just started with the state. And I remember driving to the long area and the waterfalls, but I went there by myself. But today I really understood a lot. Thank you very much. We still have one here that Rosie has to pick up for Rosie and Richard Simon. Rosie and Richard Simon. That's right. First we had Rosie and Jim Volkman, and now we have Rosie and, that's right, good. Well, we extend our sincere gratitude to both of you for the spectacular efforts displayed during the State Highway 32 Topi Creek project. Your work resulted in a successful award of a Great Lakes Enhancement Grant, which facilitated the construction of a new structure over Topi Creek on State Highway 32. Your commitment to finding resources for a project that benefited the Forest County Potawatomi when tribal funding resources were jeopardized speaks to your true commitment in enhancing tribal transportation opportunities. You are also being recognized for the work carried out during this project to ensure that consideration of cultural and environmental resources and demonstrating the value of respecting tribal sovereign status. Thank you. Thank you for your work.
I just want to also recognize there's two other people in the room that had a lot to do with this project. Sandy Stankovich was very involved in getting everyone at the table, and Mike Kretschmer sitting over there, who without him, we never would have known about the need. So I think we can kind of share this work just as well.
Thank you. Now I think I can say, oh what? And we have some more entertainment for you this evening. Kelly here has just released her CD, and she's going to give us the preview of her CD. She's an accomplished musician standing right here with me. I
think we need a real one, but I'll give you guys a second to get with us.
Thank you very much, Ivo, for being the master of the ceremonies for this evening and the awards, and it's been an honor to work with all of you. I think there's very few in this room that do not honestly deserve some recognition for your commitment to working with tribes and enhancing communities. And most exclusively, I want to be able to say to all of the tribal regional liaisons, even prior to my position as a statewide tribal liaison, it truly has been an inspiration working with you. I would not be with the Wisconsin Department of Transportation working in this capacity if it was not for all of you. So I just want to say hoa to all of you and thank you very much. And as Ivo said, I'm going to be willing to share a few of my songs with you this evening. It's a little bit different side of me than what you're used to actually seeing, and hopefully you'll see the rock and roll side of me that's a little more exciting than the heels and jacket. But I'm just going to need a second to get set up, so please feel free to visit, and I'll be with you in just a moment.